Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your rear wiper. First, make sure you have your new wiper blade ready. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver for a quick assist. Park your vehicle on a level surface for safety. This simple task is very straightforward and should only take you a few minutes to complete, getting you back on the road with clear visibility. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll see a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach quite easily. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. To finish up, let's test your new wiper. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Watch to ensure the blade moves smoothly across the window and effectively clears away water. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.